packaging on this sneaker was so nice that I had to cop it twice. Now we gotta do the how to style. Let's get it. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're gonna do a how to style on the Air Max Penny 2 Social Status Playgrounds. I did that right? I got that right? Thumbs up? Yes, sir. Unlike other pennies, Social Status changed the blue a little bit. So just doing the Orlando Magic thing is not going to really work for this sneaker. It still works because we know it's a penny, but the blue is just different, guys. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So being that sneaker's overall black and have your silver reflectors on the heel, the front, around the shoelaces, and at the top with the Social Status and Nike logo, I will go with the black Essentials that reflects. As you see right here, the Essential logo reflects a little bit when it hits light, just like that sneaker. So I think this is a perfect match. PacSun Essence still has this shirt. The sizing, that may differ, but you can still get that from either one of those websites. And if you're going to do the shirt, you might as well do the sweats. Lounger material at its best. Shout out to Fair Guard for this material. Jogger style, so fits right on top of the Penny 2. Super dope. Also reflects right here. Great outfit match. Getting more towards that nice sky, icy, funny blue that's in the Air Penny 2. Is the Marnie tee, the Flower Bomb tee. Marnie's becoming real popular. Diddy has it on. LeBron had it on in the Summer League game. This is becoming a real popular item. It's not cheap, guys. This t-shirt here cost me about $290, I believe, and I think that was a sale. But this blue and white screams that Air Penny 2 Social Status at you crazy. And it's the new fad. Going hype but bringing the price tag down a lot is the Supreme Model Tee. And this blue right here matches the pennies, in my opinion. I tried to look up what color blue this was, but being that this shirt was last season, I couldn't go on Supreme website and figure it out. But this is the blue, guys. The picture there is a little different, but the blue is what we after, and we got it here with the Supreme Model Tee. Hitting towards that little pink bubblegum bubble in the back of the Social Status penny joints is the OVO terry cloth polo. You can still get this from OVOstore.com. I think Drake's birthday was the other day too. Happy birthday, Drake. But yeah, man, the material, beautiful. I think I paid like $80 or $75 for this. But if you're just trying to put on some light blue jeans, pink top to match that bubble in the back, this would kill it. OVO bird right there. Bear Brick Fragment tee. I actually brought this for my Bear Brick Nike SB Dunks. I wound up getting rid of them. But I thought about this shirt when I thought about them pennies, because the shirt looks like it reflects also with the Fragment Bear sketch there. Super dope. The material I shouldn't even have to tell y'all about. A1 Bear Brick tag there. But you see the fragment logo with the beard there. The back has a lime green fragment logo there. Very affordable, guys. I'm talking maybe $120 in clothing. Still has sizes in this if you want to check it out. And like I told you, that blue is different, but the OG Orlando Magic shorts will always be a top 10 favorite whenever you're trying to match any penny sneaker. From the iconic foam posit to the Air Penny 1 to the Air Penny 2s. You still got the silver, so the reflectiveness of the sneaker, you still matching that. The black, the white. The blue is off, guys, but again, it's Orlando Magics, guys. This is Mitchell & Ness Hardwood Classic. $100, guys, to get you this. As soon as you go to MitchellandNess.com, they show you how you can get 15% off. It does have to deal with all that text messaging that bothers me. I hate text messages. Send me emails and spam, but not text messages. But it's going to give you 15% off, and then you unsubscribe. Simple. And you could go all in on Orlando Magics. This right here is the throwback Hardaway jersey. And it's not Mitchell & Ness. It's Nike. So you already know you matching Nike with Nike. These were classic, man. These were classic. But yeah, Hardwood, no, this is Nike Swingman. So definitely under $150. This is classic, guys. A throw-in, because why not? Every chance I get it, I'm going to say it. R.I.P. Virgil. This is the Nike, I think it was for Serena Williams, but it's the Nike Off-White logo tee. Says just do it. I do not read French. If y'all could help me out there in the comment section below, let me know what that say. But yeah, R.I.P. Virgil, man. This black and white match is perfect. It's Nike. It's just a perfect match, guys. And whenever you think of pink and blue, you gotta think of Para. I had a lot of different shirts to choose from, but this pink matches that bubble on the back, and then you got that blue inside. Like really, that blue. Like the brim of my hat blue. You see that brim of my hat? That's the blue inside the Nike penny, and that's the match there. This is the blue, guys. Para. Para.com. Kif.com. Not that expensive, guys. Very affordable. Where I'm at is brutal, but y'all in some places where it's nice all the time. I like these Go Yard shorts from Bravest Studios. $75. Has the Go Yard Paris logo all inside. Different color blues and blacks. Screams Penny Hardaway, Orlando Magics at you. Very affordable, guys. This brim is the match, but it's like the hat is red. That's the problem there. But I got a few others. Here's right here is the Orlando Magic hat. Now the blue on the hat itself is the original Orlando Magic blue that Social Status took away, and they gave us just this blue. So you have the blue on the brim, but just not on the logo. But it's Orlando Magic, guys. It has to match. This one here, I don't really recommend this hat because of the green, unless you're going to find a shirt with the green and the burgundy in it. But the blue on the hat, World Series patch is dope. Hat Club is killing, man. It does match the blue, but the army green and the burgundy, that's a lot to try to blend in. But the sneaker is all black. It can be done. The Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie. Now, if you want to get this hoodie to match the Air Penny 2s, you need to hurry fast. Gap is selling them at a discounted rate, $60 right now. So you're going to have to get them fast. You already know what's going on with Yeezy, Adidas, and everybody else. But I matched these up to the Penny 2 Social Status joint. The blue is funny because one shade of this hoodie, it's that blue, and then it's more for royal blue. So I don't know. But with some black pants, this is definitely a match, guys. Yes, sir, man. This packaging is dope, guys. That's just a few pieces on the social status, ear penny tools, try to match it together. I just love the presentation on this shoe, guys, man. Let me know in the comment section below if you need help finding anything, the pricing, the sizing, anything you've seen in this video. Let me know if you cop these. Again, you get them under retail right now, which is crazy to me. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.